Hello students, how's you all? Welcome to the online class of computers. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Yes students, so in the last class we discussed the chapter that is Microsoft Excel. So in today's class we do the exercise of this chapter. So let's start this exercise first. Yes, grade 6 students. Now we start the chapter Microsoft Excel. Yes, now we will do the book exercise of this chapter. So we will start the book exercise first. Yes, first is filling the blanks. We will do the filling the blanks with the help of hints also. In the end of slide there are some hints are also there. Okay students? Yes. Please see that the first filling the blank is by default a workbook contain dash worksheet. So how many worksheet a workbook contain? That is 3. 3 worksheet a workbook contain. Okay. Next is the dash button places the content in the center of the cell across a number of columns and rows. So which button places the content in the center of cell across the number of column? That is merge and center. Okay students. Third one is the dash bar shows the data and formulas enter in a active cell. So which bar we use to enter the data and formulas? That is formula bar. Which bar? Formula bar. Fourth is a worksheet become active by clicking on the dash tab. So I am repeating again, a worksheet become active by clicking on the dash tab, that is sheet tab. Fifth one is name box is present above the dash heading. Name box is present above the dash heading, that is column heading. Sixth is the dash button to the left of sheet tab let you move through the worksheet quickly. So that is tab scrolling. With the help of tab scrolling, buttons to the left of sheet tabs and let you move through the worksheet quickly. Seventh is pressing the dash key open the save as dialog box. So what is the shortcut key of save as is F12. Okay, I hope this is clear to all. Here students, next part is B, that is true and false. Here firstly you read the statement. After reading the statement in the box you have to tick true or false. Okay, if the statement is true then you have to write T, and if the statement is false then you have to write F. Okay, now we will start. The Microsoft Excel is the most suited program for documentation. So that is true, because that is most suitable program for documentation. Okay, next one is a workbook can contain any number of worksheets according to users named. Yes student, that is also true. A workbook contain many number of worksheets according to the user's need. Third is letters A to Z and AA to EZ are the row heading. Yes students, A to Z and AA to AZ are the row heading. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the column. Fourth is status bar including the name of currently selected command or current activity. So that is also true. Data cannot be entered in an active cell. No student, that is false, because we enter data in an active cell only. Okay, last one is arrow buttons present on the worksheet tab allow the user to switch between worksheet. Yes students, with the help of arrow button we present in the worksheet tab that is used to allow to switch between the worksheet. Okay students, yes, so I am repeating again. First is true, second is also true, third is also true, fourth one is true, fifth is false, and sixth is also true. Okay, yes students, now C part is application based question. Now we will solve the application based questions also. So the class teacher has asked Pallavi, क्लास टीचर ने पल्लवी से बोला टू क्रिएट अ वर्कशीट, आपको एक वर्कशीट क्रिएट करनी है वेयर डिस्प्ले द टाइम टेबल ऑफ आवर क्लास, जिसमें क्लास का टाइम टेबल शो हो. शी हैज़ आस्क्ड her to save it with the name of her choice and further rename the worksheet by specifying the name like timetable. Suggest her the method to rename the worksheet. So what is the method of rename the worksheet is, firstly we right click on the sheet 1 and then click on rename. I am repeating again. Firstly right click on the sheet 1 and click on rename option. Okay student. Second is Rohit's father has given him his 500 for his pocket expenses. रोहित के फादर ने उसे कितने रुपीस दिए? 500. He has asked him to maintain the expenses in a Excel sheet. उन्होंने उसे क्या बोला कि आपको एक्सेल में क्या करना है, उसके एक्सपेंसेस का रिकॉर्ड करना है in the end of month. Suggest him to method to calculate the total expenses and find the amount left with him. Okay, that is very simple. With the help of AutoSum, we will easily do the Excel sheet. Okay, and we easily maintain the expenses also. So answer is AutoSum. Yes student, next part is multiple choice questions. So we will start here. Firstly we read the sentence or statement and there is 3 options are available here. From these 3 options we have to choose the correct option. Okay students, so first is in Microsoft Excel the dash button is used to perform addition of a range in a cell. First is sum, second is auto sum and third is addition. So answer is auto sum. Second is by default the text data is aligned in a cell, that is left, center or right. So answer is left. In a worksheet there are dash row. How many rows are there in one worksheet? First is 16384, second is 104850 and C is 1048576. So what is the answer? C is the answer. Fourth is the dash box show the address of an active cell. So who shows the address of an active cell? Tell me. That is name. Okay, first option is cell, second is name and third is formula. So here name box is the shows the address of an active cell. Fifth is a formula start with an dash sign. How we will start any formula in a formula bar? So with the help of equal sign. Here some options are there, that first is equal to, second is plus and third is minus. So here first is equal to option is there. Sixth is we can enter the different type of data in a worksheet. How many type of data we enter in a worksheet? That is 3 type of data. Okay, 3 type of data we enter in a worksheet. So options are 2, 3 and 4. So that is 3. Yes students, next is answer the following question. So first question is, what do you understand by Microsoft Excel? So what is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is the tool of Microsoft Office. So what is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is the tool of Microsoft Office. The latest version of Microsoft Excel is 2016. 2016 is the latest version of Microsoft Office. Okay, so Microsoft Excel is one of the most popular spreadsheet software. It is widely used to perform mathematical calculation. Okay, students. Next is difference between a workbook and worksheet. Workbook is just like our notebook and worksheet is just like our pages of the notebook. Okay, so now we will start the differentiate between them. So workbook is an Excel window that appear on the screen is called a workbook. And what is worksheet? Worksheet is a grid like an area made of rows and column where you can enter and work with data by default and Excel worksheet. See, in the workbook there are 3 sheets are available by default. Okay, according to your requirement you can add more worksheets also. Next is third question is what is cell and how many characters can a cell contain? So a cell is the intersection of a column and a row in a worksheet. What is cell? A cell is the intersection of a column and row in a worksheet. Each cell is denoted with the cell address. Each cell has cell address. A cell can contain up to 32767 characters. How many characters can contain in a cell? 32767. So last question is what is formula bar and how it is different from the name box? What is formula bar? A formula bar is located to the right of the name box. This bar shows the data and format as that you enter in a active cell. Okay, students, and how it is different from the name box? So what is name box? Name box is located just above the column heading on the left side of the window. That area display the location the cell pointer. So where the cell is located, it will tell this area display the location of the cell pointer. Okay, students. Yes, students, I hope this exercise is clear to all, right? Please do that exercise and send me homework, okay, on my WhatsApp number. Okay, students? Okay, good. In next class, we will discuss the next chapter. Okay, do study. Enjoy your day. Thank you.